Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will teach you how to recover deleted data of Snapchat. Guys, if you want to recover deleted data of Snapchat, follow me step by step. First of all, open Google and search here Snapchat account. Here Snapchat account. Tap on it, and here guys, now tap on Snapchat account. Now wait a few seconds. Here now guys, log in your Snapchat account. Here guys, after logging your account, you will see this interface. You can see now guys, first of all tap on my data. Now wait a few seconds. Here guys, you can see my data. Guys, you can recover these things he is telling you about this paragraph. You can see appear on the screen. Now scroll down. Here enter your email. Here is my email and I am confirming my email. You can see appear on the screen. Tap on here, paste this email, and now scroll down. Now guys, tap on submit data. You can see appear on the screen. Here now wait a few seconds. Guys, you can see Snapchat send your data on your Gmail account. You can see open Gmail account. I'm refreshing. You can see appear on the screen. Team Snapchat sent to my data on my Gmail account. You can see open it, and here you can see now tap on click here. This is your data, and now wait a few seconds. Here guys, your data is ready. Now tap on this link, and here your data is downloading. You can see appear on the screen. Now close the window, and here now tap on file manager. You can see appear on the screen. You can see this is my data here. Now tap long press, and here three dot, and now on compress. This is your data, Snapchat data. You can see appear on the screen. Here now guys, simply tap on here. You can see tap on just one. This is my information of my Snapchat data. You can see this is my Snapchat data. You can see appear on the screen. Here you can recover deleted data from this method. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.